Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a project called Horde Games, okay? And usually, I show you projects that are pretty new, but this one is actually not new, but it's very sustainable, okay? And you can see here, it actually launched in April, and since April, the price is actually always in the same range. You can see there are no big fluctuations, like we could just go up and down in a range of about 10%. Usually any project that gives you like some high APR or APY, it has huge fluctuations, like you get a lot of rewards and then the price crashes. So this one is really unique because I've never seen a project like this. They give you 300% APR. That means you can triple your investment. I will show you soon how it works. And as you can see, it stays somehow stable. That's really unique, okay? So what is Horde? Horde is an innovative symbiosis between a zero membership, DAAS, DeFi as a service, guys, okay, with stable coin protocols and an in development play to earn zombie defense game, all integrated into a fee-less ecosystem. That means if you buy this, you won't pay any fees, okay? You see here, claim your plot with 10 Horde tokens and earn at least 300%, okay, ROI. Then there are also NFTs. Upgrade your plots with NFTs to increase your rewards in multiple ways. As I've mentioned before, there's a P2 play to earn game that is coming soon, and Soul Paper, that's the white paper. I will show you guys, okay? The really cool thing about it is that it stays stable, guys. You will actually, I would say, you will never find a project like this that stays stable. Yeah, the chart is unique after so many months. Okay, so how does it work? I will show you guys. As you can see here, the tokenomics really unique. Also, there's a 0% buy fee, 0%, and if you sell, then you pay 10% fee. Okay, so. And the unique feature about this is the liquidity management. I will show you guys here, first of all, how it works and why we want to stay stable. And they stay stable, guys. It's not just some blah blah, it is really stable, as I've showed you. The liquidity management is one of the standout features within the Horde ecosystem. Developed from scratch, it replicates a stablecoin-like strategy that uses buys and sells after being calculated in a complex algorithm, and is able to dictate what range a token price can be restricted to. That's amazing, guys. As you can see, the white paper has 20 pages, but this is the most interesting feature about this project. And I will show you once again, it's so stable, okay? So how does it work? You just go here, launch dApp, and then it will take you here. You connect your wallet. And then, for example, you go to create plot. As of right now, the price of one Horde is 99.125 BUSD. And you go to create plot, okay? And this plot will earn you your rewards. As you can see here, we have plots starting from 1 Horde to up to 15 Horde. If you buy this one, the price is 1 Horde, that means about 99 BUSD. And you will get 1% daily for 200 days. That's guaranteed, guys. Here, for example, this one, 5 Horde, that means about $500. You will get 1% for 250 days. This one, 10 Horde, like let's say about $1,000 or 990, whatever. Yeah. So let's say 1K, a little bit shy of 1K. You will get 1% daily for 300 days. That means you triple your investment. This one, 15 Horde, let's say a little bit shy of $1,500. 1% per day for 333 days, guys. That's amazing, okay? So, and you can even boost. First of all, if you want to buy Horde, you simply go to Soul Swap here. You enter the amount of BUSD you want, and then you just buy the Horde, okay? You can boost your earnings by buying an NFT, as you can see here. Minting price for this one here would be 7.5 Horde, and it will boost your rewards by 15%. This one, a minting price 5.5 Horde, will boost your rewards by 10%. This one costs 3 Horde and will give you 5% more rewards, guys. But this one is actually sold out, as you can see here, okay? So here's the dashboard, the Souls paper, the white paper I showed you. Yeah, guys, it's really interesting. It's the good thing is, okay, you can triple your investment, for example. It's not a crazy project that says you will get 150,000% APY or whatever, but you can triple, okay? I mean, imagine, just take your money, put it in the bank account, what will you get? I would say like 0, yeah? And I mean, because of the inflation, actually your buying power will even go down, and here you can triple your investment, and it's sustainable, as you can see. Once again, it's sustainable, yeah? The range is about like a 10% price range, yeah, and it's really nice to have such a project, guys, okay? So, guys, if you, as always, I have to mention, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you those kind of projects. Always do your own research before you invest your money, okay? So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.